Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you already know that we are on unit number 12 of your GK2 books. And do you remember the name of your unit? The Natural Environment and Resources. And today is its second lesson. As you know that we have done the first lesson and we discussed about a lot of natural non-living things and living things. So today let's recap it and then we will move forward towards its second lesson. Quickly answer, which things make our environment? कौन सी चीजें हैं जो हमारा एनवायरनमेंट बनाती हैं कलेक्टिवली? आपको पता है इस बात का, लिविंग थिंग्स एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स मेक अप आवर एनवायरनमेंट. देखिए हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में दोनों तरह की चीजें होती हैं, लिविंग थिंग्स भी होते हैं और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स भी होते हैं, और जब वो कंबाइन हो जाते हैं तो हम कहते हैं कि हमारा एनवायरनमेंट बन गया. नाउ लेट्स आंसर द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट? नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट क्या होता है? Where there is everything natural, not man-made. Okay, that is called a natural environment with natural non-living things and living things. Which living things are included in natural environment? Which living things are included in natural environment? Quickly tell. Plants, animals, human beings. Very good. Which non-living things are included in natural environment? Now you have to name the non-living things, natural non-living things. Number one, sun, air, water, rocks, mountains. These all collectively are called the natural non-living things and they make up the natural environment. Now let's move forward, my dear students, towards an activity. Now we will start lesson number 2 with an activity which is given on page number 87 of your books. It is an independent activity. What the teachers will do, now let me tell the teachers first that they have to divide the students into the groups and then the groups will move around into the school. School का एक tour करेंगे. And also you will provide them with a worksheet जो मैं आपको अभी आगे शो करूंगी. इसी टेबल की तरह से वो वर्कशीट है जिसमें बच्चे अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग्स करेंगे सारी. आपको टेबल नजर आ रहा है स्क्रीन पे. ये आपकी वर्कशीट फॉर्म में आपको मिलेगा. नाउ इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट, स्टूडेंट्स को एक हंट पर जाना है और उनको लिविंग थिंग्स, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, नेचुरल लिविंग थिंग्स, मैन मेड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स जो हैं उन सबको देखना है जो जो भी उनको अपने रास्ते में मिलेंगी, और उसके बाद उसकी सारी रिकॉर्डिंग्स जो है दे हैव टू मेक देम ऑन द वर्कशीट. Now I also went on a tour. You can pause the video and take the students on the tour. But before that, students can also watch my findings, watch what I find on my tour. Here you can see, first of all, when I looked out from the window, I saw the sun. It is a natural, non-living thing. Then, in my room, there was a dispenser. It is man-made, but on the top of it, you can see water. Water is natural, non-living thing. And the dispenser is a man-made non-living thing. Now we will move forward to my tour. Then I saw a sparrow on the tree. It is a living thing. I saw a tree in the garden and it is also a living thing. Then I went to the library and I saw a lot of books. These are all man-made, non-living things. Chairs, man-made, non-living things. Then I moved towards the computer lab and I saw a lot of computers, chairs and tables. All are man-made, non-living things. Is that clear? Now my tour ends here and I will move forward towards the worksheet. This will be provided by you to your by the teacher, and let's quickly have a look at the worksheet. You have to write your name and your class on the top of it. Then there is written Natural resource, anything present in abundance and meeting up people needs is called a natural resource. Okay? ऐसी चीज जो कि एनवायरनमेंट में बहुत ज्यादा पाई जाए और वो नेचुरल हो, अल्लाह ताला की बनाई हुई हो और उससे ह्यूमन बींग्स जो हैं वो कोई ना कोई फायदा उठाएं, वो उसको हम कहते हैं नेचुरल रिसोर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पानी बहुत सारा एक जगह पर है, इन अ लेक, इन रिवर्स, दैट इज अ नेचुरल रिसोर्स. हवा आपकी बहुत ज्यादा है जो कि हमें ट्रीज से मिल रही है ऑक्सीजन, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ नेचुरल रिसोर्स. आपको बहुत ज्यादा फ्रूट्स एक जगह से मिल रहे हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ नेचुरल रिसोर्स. द सन इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, इट इज ऑल्सो अ नेचुरल रिसोर्स. सो एनीथिंग दैट इज नेचुरल एंड इन अबंडेंस, बहुत ज्यादा है और उससे हम फायदा उठा रहे हैं, दैट इज अ नेचुरल रिसोर्स. Now it is a scavenger hunt because, so first make a prediction, will you find more natural resources or man-made resources? I think we will find man-made resources. Then write your prediction on the clipboard. यहाँ पर हमने अपनी prediction लिख दी कि मुझे लगता है कि ज़्यादा man-made चीज़ें मिलेंगी. Then we will move forward to the next part of the worksheet. Okay, next write down the things you find under the correct category. So what I found was chairs, tables, they were non-living, and they were man-made resource or natural resource? Man-made. So this is how we will finish the worksheet. Number 2, I also find computers, books. So same thing will come. They are non-living and man-made. Number 3, I found water, sun, plants, animals. So what are they? They are living, so these are non-living. Water and sun are non-living. Plants and animals are living. And then comes natural man-made resource. These are natural. And this is also natural. So my dear students, as you can see that this is how you will finish the worksheet. And at the end you can see, was your prediction correct? I will write yes. Then how many each did you find natural resources? So I found 1, 2, 3, 4 natural resources and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 4. There were also pencils and pens. So this will be 5. So this is how you will finish your worksheet. You will also write the conclusion कि आपकी prediction ठीक थी या गलत थी. Then you will also write कि आपको natural resources कितने मिले total में, आप वहाँ पर लिखेंगे end पर, और man-made कितने मिले वो भी आपने, you also have to write their total. Okay, this is how you will finish the worksheet. This will be really fun. Okay, follow the timeline and follow the rules. Then we will move forward towards what are natural resources. Natural resources are which you can find in abundance, जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मिले, and they also occur naturally. ये natural होने चाहिए, man-made नहीं होने चाहिए, then they will be called natural. And they must fulfill the needs of human beings. ये हमारे किसी ना किसी फायदे के होने चाहिए, then they will become a resource. Okay? कोई भी चीज जो कि बहुत ज्यादा तादाद में हो और उससे हम फायदा उठाएं उसके स्टोरेज से, that is called a natural resource. और एग्जाम्पल्स क्या है? sun, mountains, air, plants, water and land. These are all natural resources. Now we will move forward towards that. You can see here different natural resources, sun, plants, then mountains, then you can see water, air, clouds, these are all natural resources. Now we will move forward towards page number 85 where there are student learning outcomes given. Today we will do student learning outcome number 2nd and 3rd. Recognize that natural resources are essential for the survival of human being, and today we will cover sun as a natural resource, and we will recognize the importance of natural resources. So that means we will recognize the importance of sun as a natural resource. Okay? Now we will move forward towards the Islamic perspective. It is God who made the earth for you to settle and the heaven as a canopy. We designed you and perfected your design and provided you with wholesome things such as God, your Lord. So blessed be God, Lord of the worlds. So Allah Ta'ala ने हमारे लिए ये तमाम नेमतें बनाई हैं, ये तमाम resources बनाए हैं ताकि हम इनसे फ़ायदा उठाएं और अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा करें. From here, we will move forward towards pre-reading question. Quickly answer them. Name some natural non-living things. Natural non-living things. Sun, air, water, land. These are natural non-living things. Name some man-made non-living things. Books, computers, pencils, pens, chairs, tables, fans, AC. These are all man-made non-living things. Very good. From here we will move forward towards the main reading lesson. It is given on page number 87. Quickly open it and pause the video. I hope everybody has opened page number 87. We have already done the activity. We will move forward towards the main reading. Natural resources and their importance. Quickly put your fingers where I will read. All the natural things, whether living or non-living, are gifts of Allah Almighty. Allah Almighty. When such things are in abundance at one place and enough to meet the needs of people, it becomes a resource. So that means जितनी भी living और non-living things हैं वो अल्लाह ताला का हमारे लिए gift है, natural things. और अगर ये abundance में होंगी, बहुत ज़्यादा तादाद में एक जगह पर होंगी, they will become a resource for us अगर हम इसको इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Human beings need food, water, air, sunlight to live. Each of the natural resources is important for us. If there is a lack in any of them, people could not live or survive even a week. Lack का मतलब है अगर इनमें से कोई भी चीज थोड़ी हो जाएगी तो living things और human beings cannot survive, वो जिंदा नहीं रह सकते एक हफ्ते के लिए भी. Again put your fingers where I will read. These natural resources support life and life-related processes. We may find natural resources on land, in water and air. हमें natural resources कहाँ कहाँ मिलते हैं? Land पे भी मिलते हैं, water में भी मिलते हैं, air में भी मिलते हैं. Humans use all the resources mentioned above to meet their needs. Let's study them one by one. So my dear students, हमने पढ़ लिया कि natural resources क्या हैं, मैंने आपको पहले भी explain किया. अब हम उनको one by one पढ़ेंगे. सबसे पहले हम sun को as a natural resource पढ़ेंगे. Now the sun as a natural resource. Again put your fingers where I will read. Sun. Sun is the main source of heat and light. It helps plants to prepare their food and grow well. The well-grown plants and their parts are processed and used by human beings. Moreover, the heat of the sun regulates the climate on earth. So my dear students, आपने sun के बारे में पढ़ा. ये क्या है? Number 1, it is the main source of heat and light. 2 things हो गई. Again, what it does, it helps the plants to prepare food. Number 3, And number 4, it also helps them in growing. आपने 4 things पढ़ ली जो कि हमें sun help कर रहा है, ठीक है? Again it regulates the temperature on the earth. देखिए sun के कितने ज़्यादा फायदे हैं. सबसे बड़ा heat and light का source है. इसके अलावा ये प्लांट्स को बड़ा होने में और फूड प्रोड्यूस करने में हेल्प करता है. आपके अर्थ के ऊपर ये टेम्परेचर को और क्लाइमेट को भी रेगुलेट करता है. अगर सन नहीं होगा तो बहुत ज्यादा सर्दी हो जाएगी. सो सन इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट. विदाउट सन लाइफ कैन नॉट एग्जिस्ट ऑन अर्थ. नाउ लेट्स रीड अबाउट द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ सन. ड्यू टू सनलाइट plants become able to prepare food. Animal world as well as humans depend upon this food. So, इसकी importance क्या है कि both plants and animals depend on the light and heat of the sun. So, आज हमने sun के बारे में पढ़ा. Sun is one of the natural resources. Now we will move forward towards the practice. So you have to open page number 96 in your books. Take out your notebooks and we will do question number 2. What are natural resources? Quickly tell me. Anything in nature which is in abundance and meet people's need or fulfill their needs is called a natural resource. So you have to write it down in your notebooks. You can also take help from the screen. Any natural thing present in abundance and meeting our people's needs is called a natural resource. From here, we will move forward towards question number 3. Name 5 natural resources. Very easy. Sun, water, air, land, plants. These are some natural resources. So you will finish it in your notebooks and we will move forward towards your evaluation. Quickly answer the question. Question number 5 till question number 8. What is a natural resource? Anything naturally occurring, found in abundance and fulfill our needs is called a natural resource. Name some natural resources. Air, water, sun. These are natural resources. Why is sun important? Sun is important because it is the main source of heat and light. Question number 8. What do we get from the sun? We get heat and light from the sun. Very nice. From here we will move forward towards your homework. So for homework, it is you will do question number 7 from the writing exercise given on page number 96. You will do this question in your notebooks. So question number 7 on your screens. How is the sun beneficial for living beings? Sun कैसे जो है वो human beings के लिए beneficial है? It is the main source of heat and light. Plants and animals depend on sun for food. Okay? You can finish your homework like this. There is another homework worksheet for you. Worksheet number 3 you can see on your screen. It is very easy. You will write down your name in your class. Your teacher will provide you with this worksheet. Write any 4 benefits of the sun. 4 आपको फायदे लिखने हैं sun के. I will write first 2 and you will write the next 2. It gives us heat, light, and you will write the next 2. Okay? Easy. It's very easy. Okay? Finish it. You can also take help from your adults. From here, we will move forward towards your wrap-up of the lesson. So, my dear students, today we have studied about the natural resources, any natural thing present in abundance and meeting a people's needs is called people's needs. People's needs is called a natural resource. Resources which are not made by man are natural resources. ऐसे resources जो अल्लाह ताला ने बनाए हैं, human beings ने नहीं बनाए, उनको हम natural resource कहते हैं. Sun provides us with heat and light और हमने sun के बारे में पढ़ा कि वो हमें heat और light provide करता है. I hope now your concepts are clear about the natural resources and you know that sun is also a natural resource and provides us with lot of benefits. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day and Allah Hafiz.